In this video, I will show you how to open a Hulu account. To do this, first just download the Hulu app or go to Hulu's website, and from there you will need to first select what type of an account you want. So they have basically a few different types of accounts. They have the Disney Plus and Hulu bundle, Disney Plus Hulu ESPN Plus bundle, then the Disney Plus Hulu HBO Max bundle, and finally Hulu Plus Live TV, which also includes Disney Plus and ESPN Plus, as well as a bunch of live channels. So just select whichever one you want and click on the package that you want. Usually the one on the left is with ads, the one on the right without. So from there it will then redirect you to the sign up page. So here again you can go and select the plan that you want. I'll just be selecting the Disney Plus and Hulu Bundle Classic right there. And from there, in order to create an account, you will first need to enter an email address. Then click continue. And then you will need to confirm your email, so make sure it's correct and just click confirm. Then you need to choose a password for your account. Then enter your name, birth date and gender. And click agree and continue. Then from there you will need to enter the 6-digit code that will be sent to your email address. And you will also need to enter your billing details that you want to use to pay for your subscription. And after entering all of that, and actually paying for your first month unless you get a free trial, then you will have started your subscription and created your Hulu account. So now you know how to create a Hulu account. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.